Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the exact chat history file and confirming its format. This determines tooling. You need either the exported, TXT, or encrypted, crypt12 backup. Once located, install an extractor that matches the encryption. Connect your phone via USB with debugging enabled or sign into the same cloud account. Make sure you have the matching Google Drive or iCloud backup access. Once done, verify file timestamps and create a safe copy so you never work on the original. Now you decrypt or directly open the file depending on its type. If it's crypt12, you must extract the device key from the phone's data partition or use a key backup, then run the extractor to produce a readable SQLite, DB or TXT, if you already have. TXT, import it into an editor, CSV tool, or SQLite viewer to preserve timestamps and attachments. Make sure to choose UTF-8 encoding and check for merged lines. This prevents message corruption while you examine content. Finish by opening the decrypted database or text in a viewer and review messages, media links, and timestamps. You'll see metadata fields like sender ID and epoch time. Export selected conversations to CSV or PDF for archiving, and ensure attachments are linked in the same export directory. If something fails, check that the device key matches the backup and run an integrity check using checksums. Make sure you used UTF-8 and that no partial transfers occurred. Retransfer the original backup if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.